Hello, and welcome to another math video in preparation for the SATs with Mrs. Stricalo. Today's lesson is going to be to complete the square in order to write the equation of a circle. Let's say maybe to find the center and radius. In that case, I think completing the square is quite necessary. So let's get started. Okay, here is how we do this. It's a little bit confusing. Most kids do not like this lesson. Okay, so this is an X, that's an X. We're going to keep those together. And then that is a Y, and that is a Y. And we're going to keep that together. And then the 4 is neither an X nor a Y. So we're going to bring that to that side. So let's get our X's together. And so we will have X squared plus 14X. Leave a gap right here, just kind of space. And then we're going to write our Y stuff. So we're going to go Y squared minus 12Y. Leave this little gap here. And then we're going to say equals, and then take that 4 and bring it over there as a negative 4. Okay, let's work with our X stuff. This has an X and that has an X. And to complete the square, it's like a little saying, half and square, complete the square, half and square. What do I mean by that? Take this special number right here because it does not have the square, okay, the coefficient to the X. They're going to go half and square, complete the square, half and square. Half of 14 is 7. 7 squared is 49. So you're going to go plus 49. Keep it balanced. Plus 49. Okay, let's go to our Y stuff. Take the middle number right here, the one that does not have the Y squared, the coefficient of the Y. Complete the square, half and square. Half of 12 is 6. 6 squared is 36. So you'll go plus 36. Plus 36. Okay, let's go to the here just to get enough room here. Let's go to the X stuff. I'm going to factor that as X plus 7, because 7 plus 7 is 14, and 7 squared is 49. Plus, now let's do the orange stuff, which is our Y's, factor the perfect square trinomial. And over here, if you do minus 4, that's plus 32, so that's going to be 81. So this over here will be 81. And now we can make our determination. What is the center of this circle? The X lies and the Y lies. -7, -6. And the radius is always going to be this number here, but the square root of it. So our radius is 9. And I think we can do that one more time if I have another example here. And yes, I do. Let's do it one more time. Just give me a second here. Give us some space. Okay, so I'm going to keep the X squares separate, or the X things, as I call them so fancy, space, plus the Y thing. I'm going to bring this one over to the other side as minus 10Y. Leave a space, equals 55. Half and square. Half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1 to both sides, not just 1. Half and square. Half of 10 is 5. Add 25, that's 5 squared, to both sides. And then we get factor the X stuff, factor the Y stuff. That's a minus sign. This will be a minus sign. And then add all this stuff together and you will get 81. So now we can say that the center is going to be at the x lies and the y lies. And the radius is going to be the square root of the other side. So that is going to be 9. 9. What on earth is in the wrong spot? 9. So there you go. And I think that's that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something out of it. Enjoy.